Good morning. Welcome to Ross Max class. Today we start already cubes and cube roots for class 8. Cube of a number. We already just completed the square root chapter. We know how we get the square of a number. A square of a number is obtained by multiplying by number itself twice. That means if a number is a, if it is multiplied by twice itself, we get its square. So when a number is raised to the power 2, we get its square. The same way, cubes also can be obtained when it is multiplied by thrice itself. That means a number is raised by 3. So third power of a number is its cube root. So here a square number has two equal factors. Of course, one of the equal factor is its square root. The same rule applicable here. A cube number also should be written as a factor of 3 natural numbers. So one of the natural number is its square root. In finding the square root, we divided all the factors in pairs. Here, we divide all the factors in triples. From each triple, we take one equal factor. Finally, we get the cube root of the given number. That is the base. So, let's find out some numbers where the cube numbers are not. If the number is not written in the form of triples of equal factors, it's not a cube number. So, we cannot find its cube root. Let's work on some numbers to check whether cube numbers are not. First question is 256 a cube number? Let's resolve this into factors. 256, always take the prime factors. 128, 64, 32, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 256 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Divide all the factors which are prime into triples. First triple, second triple, no. So one of the triple has no partner. So this is not a cube number. So 256 is not a cube number. But what number it is? Square number. Because it has even number of factors. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 power 8 is the power. So 2 power 4, that is 16 is the square root. So it is a square number, not a cube number. The question is why? But what is required here to make it a cube? We want one more 2 here. That means the whole number, that is 256, to be multiplied by 2 to make it a perfect cube. So 256 into 2, what is 512? What is the 512 cube root? These are the factors. From here I take 1, 2, from here 1, 2, from here another 2. The product of all the 2's, 8 is the cube root. So we know by what number the given number to be multiplied by observing the last group of numbers. If it is required a factor 2, if it is 2 factors, 2 into 2, 4 is the number to be multiplied by the given number. So this is also an important question. Let's check one more number, whether the number is a perfect cube or not, by resolving into factors. Let's check 1728. It is a familiar number, I know. The number has its importance. Let's write the factors. 1728. 2 8 times, 6 times, 4 times, 2 4 3 2, 2 2 1 6, 2 108, 254, 227, 39, 3 threes over. So I got 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and a set of 3. 3 into 3 into 3. Let's check. First triple, second triple, third triple. So it is a perfect cube number. What is the cube of this number? 2, 2, 3, 12. So 12 cube is equal to 178. So we need not multiply any number to make it a perfect cube because it is already a perfect cube. So this is the way we check whether the number is a perfect cube or not. Or else they may question find the cube root of. Whenever the question to find the cube root of any number, you will get the perfect triples. If you do not get the perfect triples, you are working somewhere went wrong. Okay, that is the order. Next, so let's find the cube root of this 4-digit number 9261. First, resolve this into factors. What the least prime number that I can divide here? 2 is not. Next 3. 9 plus 1, 10. 18. Sum of the digits is 18, so the large number here is 0 by 3. 3, 0, 8, 7. Since it is already a cube number, we get this factor 3 times, no doubt. So I go for 3 without checking anymore. 1, 0, 2, 9. Again, third 3. Because we get each number in triples. 3 is 9, 4, 3. Now, 7 is the only option. 7 49s, 7 sevens. Therefore, 9261 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3, 7 into 7 into 7. That is 3 into 7, 21. Therefore, cube root of 9261 is 21. What the important thing you have to observe in this question is, usually we miss this 0. Usually students divide in such a way, I show here. See here, the number 9261, 3 3s are 9, in 26 they write 3 8s are 24, 3 7s are 21. They miss this 0. If you miss here, you never get the factors. So very careful. Wantedly they give this type of numbers. And one more danger here is this. It is a cube of 7. So you must have some knowledge, that is finding the cubes of odd numbers, such as 3 cube, 27, 5 cube, 127, 5, 7 cube, 343. That's all, enough. 11 cube, 13 cube. You have to 13, 17, 19, enough. Up to 20. The odd numbers cubes, must be in your memory. Sometimes they may get somewhere that cube number. That particular number is only the factor. Okay? We'll take some more questions in our next class. Thank you.